Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not feeling good at all. I feel like my throat's on fire. How I feel right now reminds me of when I had the flu. I have waves of feeling kind of okay, kind of feeling like crap. I'm just like blowing my nose. My nose is all red. It's like stuffy and then it's running 1 second. It's just super annoying. And I feel like everyone is legit getting sick right now. I think I don't even know one person who's not sick. I'm gonna show you how to freshen yourself up if you have somewhere to be and you're not feeling good and you actually have to get out of bed and it sucks. First up, I'm going to use the Purlisse, and this is the Blue Lotus Youth Serum, and it's one of my favorite moisturizers. It feels so good. You don't need a whole lot of it, and it just really kind of brings your skin back to life. And it doesn't feel chemical-y. It doesn't feel like there's like a lot of fragrance in it. It just is really, really nice. And next up, I'm going to use the Purlisse BB cream. And what I love about this BB cream is that it looks like skin, it looks fresh, but then it also covers up like blemishes, red spots, things like that, but it's just not overdoing it. It doesn't make your skin look overdone and like you try to cake a bunch of stuff on when you're not feeling good. So like let your skin breathe, which is what your skin needs when you're not feeling good, of course. Just to save time, I'm just using my Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. It's my favorite foundation brush. It just gets all the hard to reach areas and it does your face so quick. Like it just spreads everything really fast. So then I'm going to take this blush palette from Morphe. This is the 8W and it is the warm blush palette, and this is going to be like everything. I'm going to go on to my lids with Unapologetic, which is just like a bronzy tan color, just to kind of bring my eyes a little bit back to life. I'm bringing that Unapologetic kind of down onto my lower lid line. I'm just basically buffing it in there. Then because my eyes are still a straight mess, they're just a mess, let's be honest, I'm going to use this side. It's like it's more creamy than it is matte. That way I have some hydration under there. I'm going to kind of put that to wherever I'm having some issues in my skin, and then I'm going to blend it out. Nothing too intense, really. Take a big puffy brush and I'm going to take Unapologetic and MUA, which is just a little bit deeper of a tan. Little Dermablend Pro. I'm just going to push that underneath my eyes just to help brighten it up just a little bit. I'm not baking or anything because I'm already dried out as is from not feeling good. So I'm just going to kind of run that loose powder anywhere I feel like needs a little extra coverage. Taking this palette again, I'm going to take a little bit of Goals, which is a little pink, over the nose. Take a little Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. I love this mascara right now because I love the formula and I really love how it's got such a big wand head. And I'm just going to throw on a little gloss. This is the Too Faced gloss in Sunset Crush because it's really pretty. Spray yourself with a little bit of setting spray. I love the Urban Decay setting spray, but I'm actually not going to set my makeup at all with it because I'm about to go shower and just wash my face. But I wanted to show you how I would do my makeup if I had somewhere to go. Luckily, I don't, thank you Jesus. So I hope you guys like this video and I will see you soon.